In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn profile cover in Figma in just 5 minutes. This simple guide will help you craft a standout cover to elevate your LinkedIn presence. So let's get started right away. First, what you need to do is go to the Figma website. If you're new to Figma, it's a collaborative interface design tool that many designers use to bring their creative ideas to life. Open your web browser and head over to figma.com. You'll be greeted by Figma's homepage. Once you're there, find the login button. It should be located conveniently, usually in the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you might need to spend a few moments doing so, but it's a simple process. After you've logged in, you'll arrive at the Figma homepage. This is where you can see all your existing design files and projects. From here, look for the section that offers templates and tools. Clicking here will open up a wealth of resources at your fingertips, ranging from ready-to-use templates to tools that can serve as a great starting point for your design needs. The next step is to click on Browse Resources. This will open up the community resources where Figma users share their creations. You can find many templates for different purposes, and this is where you'll find the tools for your LinkedIn cover. Now in the search bar, type in LinkedIn cover. Figma's robust search feature will do the job of finding all related designs and templates. Take a moment to browse through the options available. You'll likely see a variety of styles and designs that you can customize to fit your personal brand or professional image. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click Open in Figma. This will import the design straight into your workspace and you can start customizing it right away. Feel free to adjust colors, fonts and images to match your personal or professional branding. Make sure to pay attention to the file dimensions so everything looks crisp and clear when you upload it to LinkedIn. And there you have it. Within minutes you've managed to create a professional looking LinkedIn profile cover using Figma. This quick and straightforward method makes it easy to keep your professional appearance up to date with a visually appealing cover. Remember, your LinkedIn cover is one of the first things people see when they visit your profile, so make it count. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. See you next time.